What is the best way to extract an idea into a visual format? It has been my dream to make this class a film class that concentrates on extracting, transporting an original idea into a visual reality. My name is Olaf de Fleur. I was born and raised in Iceland, where volcanoes erupt and ponies stand by the road and just look you right in the eye. I've made 12 feature films in my 2-decade career as an indie filmmaker.
Okay, so Olaf, in this scene,
I've sold original concepts to studios, directed for Netflix, and sold remake rights to my films.
We go to Olaf de Fleur.
Throughout my 20 years of making films, the most challenging, the most important has been the art and the craft of really getting to know my idea before I start writing it or filming it. Getting an idea is easy. Getting it from here to here is The emphasis of this film class is the do-it-yourself factor. We're going to learn how to do as much as we can on our own through transforming our idea into a film scene, a video sequence, or even a short film. I will be sharing with you all my tips, tricks, and secrets so you can learn to extract and make a film out of your idea independently. Whether you're a beginner or you just started making films, either way, this class will help you deepen the art, the craft of visual storytelling. What you need for this class is a camera, a pen or something to write on, and a computer to edit your idea, and of course, a backpack to fit in all the creative tools that are coming your way. In this class, we'll start slow, small, and easy, because if you have an idea that has been waiting for you, let's meet up with it. See you in the first lesson.